Section 1. The ultimate question. Mind over matter or tool over task? We all worry about being ready for an emergency. It is a natural human instinct to want to protect ourselves and our loved ones when things go wrong. In our modern world, this often leads us down a path of consumption. We browse online stores. We watch reviews of the latest gadgets. We fill our backpacks with expensive tools. We are told that the right gear can save our lives. Yet, there is an older, more timeless truth that whispers a different story. It suggests that what you know is far more important than what you own. Hands carving wood with a simple knife. A GPS left unused in the background. This question is not just a theoretical debate. It has real-world consequences. How you choose to prepare determines your chances when you are faced with a genuine crisis. Will the expensive GPS you bought be your savior? Or will the simple knowledge of how to read the sun's position guide you home? Will the fancy multi-fuel stove be your key to a warm meal? Or will the ability to start a fire with damp wood keep you from freezing? We will use real scenarios and straightforward ideas to help you understand the balance and make smarter choices. Skills are the intangible assets you carry within your mind and body. They are the knowledge you have acquired and the techniques you have practiced until they become second nature. Skills are things you can do, like tying a secure knot, identifying an edible plant, treating a minor wound. They are weightless, they cannot be stolen, and they do not run out of batteries. They are the software that runs your internal survival computer, turning the world around you into a resource. Gear, on the other hand, is the hardware. It is the collection of physical objects and tools you carry with you. Simple pocket knife, length of rope, sophisticated satellite phone, high-tech water purifier. Gear is tangible. You can touch it, weigh it, and pack it. It is designed to make specific tasks easier, faster, or even possible in the first time. A good sleeping bag provides instant warmth, and a sharp axe fells a tree much faster than a sharpened rock. However, gear can also be heavy, expensive, and fragile. It can break, get lost, or fail at the worst possible moment. Beat. Section 2. The foundation of readiness. What are skills? To truly grasp why skills are so powerful, let's dive deeper into what they represent. A skill is not just a piece of trivia you read in a book. It is applied knowledge. It is the bridge between knowing a fact and performing under pressure, built by repetition, practice, and learning from failure. A person with $1,000 of gear might feel secure at first. Without site selection skill, they may choose a low-lying spot.
Just to let you know, we've got a lot of merchandise still. We've got a new batch in. We've got short sleeve t-shirts, long sleeve t-shirts. We've got hats, peak caps, 2 types. We've got a couple of jackets, a couple of varsity jackets. We've got multiple stuff in. See the list. The logos aren't the same, but you know, I am bringing in that new logo soon. If you're interested, then as it says, give me an email on sapperprepperuk@gmail.com. I'll get the price up to you so we've got available. Thanks a lot.
A downpour soaks the shelter. Comfort gone. Another person with a tarp and a knife uses knowledge to find higher ground and windbreaks, building a dry, effective shelter. Section 3. The tools of the trade. Understanding gear. While skills form the bedrock of preparedness, we should not dismiss good gear. The right tool at the right time can be a lifesaver. Gear acts as a force multiplier. A quality axe saves time and precious energy. Consider purifying water. Fire can work, but it costs fuel and time on the move. A modern filter delivers safe water in seconds when you're dehydrated. In severe cold, quality insulation is a non-negotiable lifeline. Skills matter, but so does a proper first aid kit. Cleaning, dressing, and securing a wound can prevent infection and stabilize the patient. Simple gear, huge impact. Choose gear to support skills, not replace them. Learn first, then add reliable tools that make you more effective. Section 4. The core trio. 3 skills that trump all else. If you focus on a few things: master navigation, fire management, and first aid. These address being lost, exposure to the elements, and physical injury. Map and compass navigation is immune to dead batteries and lost signals. Fire mastery means sourcing dry tinder in wet conditions, building structures that catch, and managing flames safely. Basic medical skills turn a kit into real medicine and save lives. If you're enjoying this video, then please give it a thumbs up and please share it, as it will help the channel spread to a wider audience. And if you're not subscribed, then please consider subscribing so we can get the number of subscribers up to 500 subs. Thanks. These core skills keep you alive long enough to reach safety or be found, and they build calm, decisive action under stress. Despite the immense value of skills, some tools are essential in extreme conditions and tight timelines. Choose reliable, multifunctional gear that supports core needs. Skip flashy gimmicks. A sturdy full-tang knife is the single most versatile tool. Fire prep, cordage, food, carving, even last resort defense. In sudden cold storms, a space blanket or small tarp buys instant protection when time and materials are scarce. In cold, wet environments, insulation and waterproofing are your primary defense against hypothermia. Signaling tools matter. Whistles carry farther than your voice. Mirrors reach miles. PLBs send your exact location. No traditional skill can replicate that. Smart preppers integrate skills with select high-impact tools. Together, they tilt odds in your favor. Section 6. 2 hikers, 2 outcomes. David trusts gadgets. Mark invests in skills and carries a compass, map, knife, and ferro rod. An unexpected storm rolls in. Cold, driving rain. Batteries fail, sun vanishes, panic grows. Gear without skill leaves him stuck. Mark creates a plan. Terrain, bearings, safe path, simple tools working flawlessly in the rain. Confidence follows competence. A cheap compass plus practice beats $1,000 of useless tech. In the real world, test skill decides outcomes. One overlooked benefit of skill building is psychological armor. Fear and panic wreck decision-making, waste energy, and narrow your world. Practice creates a library of success and muscle memory, your hands access under stress. Familiarity replaces fear. I've been here before. I know what to do. Reps turn chaos into a checklist. Find dry inner wood, make shavings, build airflow, light and tend. Training builds competence and quiet confidence, a powerful antidote to fear. Confidence slows you down to think, observe, assess, and plan. Mental skill underpinning all others. You cannot buy this mindset. You earn it through experience and deliberate practice. Section 8. Your first steps. A simple path to true preparedness. You do not need to become a master overnight. Start small, be consistent, focus on basics. Pick one skill to learn first. Get a compass and map, learn orienting and taking a bearing. Go out and practice until it feels intuitive. Make it a game. Assemble an affordable kit. Cutting, fire, first aid, and emergency warmth. Carry it and think through how you'd use each piece. Schedule monthly practice. Fire, first aid class, and a nav-focused day hike. Small, steady reps build competence and confidence, layer by layer. Section 9. Conclusion. High-quality gear is useful, but passive. Its effectiveness depends on you. Without training, expensive tools are dead weight. Skills are active and alive, a permanent upgrade you carry everywhere. Invest in yourself first. These $0 assets serve when tech fails or gear is lost. With a foundation of skill, you choose gear as true force multipliers. Your backpack gets lighter, your mind gets sharper. The greatest survival tool is not in your pack, it is between your ears. Start sharpening it today.
The Sapper Prepper UK.
If you got value from this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow.
All day, from the field to the flat. We're ready. The Sapper Prepper UK.